Hello everybody, Model Airport Nation here, and today I have another awesome video for you guys. Today, this video is about Clipper models. That's Clipper aircraft models here. And as you guys can see, here are the new jet bridges, and they're beautiful new orange boxes. Highly detailed, guys. 5 in the box with 5 jet bridge adapters. Go check them out at Clipper Models, link in bio, guys. ClipperModels.com as well. Super cool, highly detailed. I will be putting them on my Denver International Airport here. This is actually the A gates, but I'm making it look like the B gates today, guys. So that's that, and a new backdrop too, guys, of Denver. So pretty cool. Also, you can see we got the JetBridge card here. I love this. Actually, you might be able to scan this on the TV, guys. I'll hold this for a second. So if you want to scan this and order your JetBridges now, go ahead and do that. Now, I did pay for these with my own money. So, again, this is not sponsored. I did pay for this with my own money. Super cool. Always high quality Clipper Models products here. I went ahead and ordered 4 of these just because I know I would rather just invest now and have just a bunch of jet bridges for my terminals. So let's go ahead and get these open, guys. As you guys can see, really nice packaging here on the jet bridges. Super convenient. Let's go ahead and get them open. Wow, look at that. I'm honestly speechless, guys. Look at all the detail on these. I mean, let's look at the top here too. Wow, you've really outdone yourself, Clipper Models. Amazing job. And it comes with these adapters as well. I did also get some adapters with my order here. So you guys can always get these too. These will extend the gates out, so it'll look a lot more realistic. All right, guys, here's how they're looking so far. You also do get a card inside the box that describes on how it assembles together, just in case they do come apart. These ones look like they're pretty sturdy though. Here are the previous jet bridges compared to the newer ones. So still really cool, highly detailed. Just sometimes these little parts will come apart, so you want to make sure that they stay on. But other than that, I have this set up like perfectly right now. But yeah, guys, look at that. You cannot go wrong with the Clipper Models jet bridges. These will make your airports look highly detailed. I just can't believe I have these. This looks so good. Imagine when it's all together, which will be very soon. All right, everybody, we have all the jet bridges attached here on the terminal. Here's that $1 million view here, guys, with the Clipper Models jet bridges attached to the Clipper Models Denver Airport Terminal. As you can see, here's how they operate. Plane comes in. You can extend these out too, just be very careful. That does extend, as you can see. They also do adjust in height. So if you have a very large aircraft coming in, you can just very carefully push, and then it will adjust. You can turn the jet bridge here too. Extend it. Even this thing moves around. I wouldn't touch this that much though, because it's very delicate. But other than that, guys, yeah. Honestly, pretty much the best that it gets here. You even have the little wheel barricade here, so it doesn't run over anybody or anything, just like it does in real life. And then you're pulling on into the bridge here, or the gate. Here's how they look with some of the narrow body aircraft. Really nice. Coming out over here even farther, you can see another view. And here's the 777 loading up here, guys, with JetSet models and Tiny Tugs equipment. Super cool. Especially this ultra realistic view from the back here. That's what we're going for, guys, this type of view. Look at that. Again, overall, really nice jet bridges here. Shout out to Clipper Models for the amazing jet bridges here. Highly detailed work here, guys. And I can't wait to see what will come in the future here from Klipper Models, as well as more Denver additions to my Denver airport. When I saw Klipper Models was making the Denver airport, I could not pass on that, as I will be moving to Denver probably within the next year, guys. So that will be my new home airport, so I'm probably going to want a model airport of that. As you guys know, I'm Model Airport Nation here, so I do appreciate you guys. Link in the bio for Klipper Models, of course. And also other amazing creators as well, guys. But until then, guys, we'll see you guys in the next video. I wish you guys happy collecting here. Denver update coming soon. That's mainly why I put this out as well. So stay tuned. And also like to wish you guys happy collecting. See you guys in the next video.